Thank all of you again. The next group are from Bethel, and the name is Upallret Dancers, which means that they move from one place to another doing subsistence hunting and gathering, right? Upallret. John Active over here is going like this, so I must be saying it right. Thank you, John, for confirming that this is the Upallret Dance Group and Myron Nanning.
From Bethel, Alaska.
Yeah, Quyana. Like he says that the name of our group is Upallret, and as we know, our parents and our ancestors moved from one location to another to be close to the subsistence resources when in the past they had to go with the seasons to move from one place to another. And tonight we have a special guest who every time AFN convention comes around does not want to miss coming here even for Quyana. And I'd like to introduce my mother-in-law, Mary Ann Sanda. As my brother-in-law Harley says, the dance diva.
Kwan ang kain alam ni mukutilan katang sakit kuya kapitan katang kita ko sa ito ko nunat pangkinay ko sukiya udok niya katin uksok pagkiyas kanum tali kay suko kaksama tigaya kiyota makam gusto kanliya sa kingunam peso at anak tayo ay kam kaya kaniyakan.
She just said a prayer, amen.
Quyana, ilagaw suto kung ilagaw tukot. Ukot ila maupiyo at nganutan, kamu piso, kamu watsa, ukilakinan rito. Yuk, ayakayo sa tsakausin leo. Mukis kapiso si, akkanun witak kayo gusti, ikasakagaw gusti. Mukis ayakayo tanagusutong, ang ayaw ka musukan sakit, malikta ko duki. Ik-aanat siso, saan nakikaksam, nakikiyuta kaksam, nakipilyak. Kaya kayo nakakuya ka ma, asan na kong mga tali, nakakusakan ka, tuwa Quyana.
Yeah, she said that she's very thankful that she's here tonight and that her relatives, her in-laws dragged her over here to be here tonight, and she wants to say a special message to everyone in the building that you have to live right now like you're watching out for what's happening around you, just so you wouldn't get into any accidents or nothing will happen like that around you. And if you're a young person, you should be very respectful of your mom and dad. You should listen to them when they talk to you. You shouldn't talk back to them. When they talk to you that way, you can look for hope of living a long life. Last week, I was visiting my mom, and she was telling me, yeah, I'm not going to go to AFN this year because you're not going. I said, but I'm going. And she said, well, you better buy me a ticket because I want to go over. So we bought her a ticket, and we came over, and she said, make sure everybody's ready to dance. And she's not aware that we had to contact AFN in advance, but she said, we're going here to go dance, so here we are.
Thank you.